We are in La Romaine, San Fernando at Monkey Bones. Indoor dining is limited to 2 people, so we had to do takeout. The space is essentially 3 meters by 3 meters. We don't have seating, but we have a light box. Let's pause here for a sec. This is what their signature meal is supposed to look like. We picked up the meal 15 minutes after we ordered it, and this was the cold clotted mess we got. The dish is supposedly consisting of a layer of spicy fries, a layer of chicken, and topped with creamy mac and cheese. The spicy fries were okay, the chicken was bland, and this mac and cheese was just heartbreaking. Did I mention it was cold as dog nose? I give Monkey Bones 4 runs out of 10. Next, we're at the food trucks at Twin Walls in Gulfview. It's lunchtime and only these 2 trucks were open for business. I opted for a green juice called the Immune Booster. The guy there asked me to taste it on the spot and give an honest reaction. I gave a kind review, don't worry.
More sugar? Or not?
Now for the real review. Nah, just kidding. It was okay. It tasted healthy. Finally getting to taste the food from the pork joint. We had jerk pork and noodles. It was spicy and there was an overpowering 5-spice taste. I gave the pork joint 7 runs out of 10. Next, we're off to an empty Rising Star for coffee and stag. What a combination. On the way home, we grabbed this. Can you tell what this is?